So, what's in this box? I promise you guys, this is going to be the most random, out of nowhere video you've probably ever seen on this channel, but I'm deciding to do something a little bit different this time and unbox something that I promise you didn't expect to ever see on this channel. And it's like 12:45 a.m. right now. I'm pretty tired. I've been at work all day, but I figured I'd come out here and go ahead and do this anyway because it needs to get done. Import Alliance is coming up in a few days, and this is something I'm gonna need for Import Alliance, but it's not car related. So let me show you. Some of you may be familiar with this. I highly doubt it because this is a car channel, but I'll just go ahead and open it up and show you what it is. I got a new bike. Now, I haven't had one of these in a long time. It's probably been, how old am I now? It's been over 10 years since I've had a bicycle. But this isn't a regular bicycle. This is actually a BMX street bike. My main purpose for getting this was to have another activity I can do that's a little bit more active and, like, you know, exercise, I guess, and that I can do with Kayla, and two, so I can have a bike to ride around shows, like big shows, like, or meets like Import Alliance, or even indoor car shows, because especially Import Alliance, walking around Import Alliance kind of sucks. So yeah, I got a bike. So I guess I'll go ahead and pull this thing out and put it together because I really want to ride it. It comes partially assembled, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit of assembly myself. Luckily I have tools. So in the box I assume this is like warranty stuff. Don't need that. This is probably instructions, and that's a invoice. Don't know what that is. The coolest thing that comes in this box is a little Allen tool. Has a bunch of Allen keys on it. I've really been needing one of these. Oh wait, they're not just Allen heads. It has 3 Allen heads, a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver Phillips, and 4 Allen heads. This is cool as crap. Dude, I'm gonna keep this with me everywhere. Haha, that's sick. Super dope. So I assume I'm gonna use this to put the bike together, partly. Probably should read the manual a little bit and figure out how to put it together, just to make sure I do it right and I don't die while I'm trying to ride it. Okay, I got it put together after a little fiddling. So one thing I've pretty much already noticed with this thing is that it needs a new seat. That seat is garbage. It's just like a hard brick. But other than that, all I need to do now is inflate the tires. The tires don't have any air in them. And go ride it. Good thing about most BMX bikes is that they're pretty customizable. You can buy parts and all kinds of stuff to fit them. So getting a new seat wouldn't be too hard or too expensive. But yeah, it's all black. I like black, as you can tell. I'm a pretty big fan of black. or just neutral colors in general. But yeah, this will be the bike I ride around at Import Alliance in a few days. So I guess since it's like 1 o'clock out, 1 o'clock a.m. right now, I guess I'll just continue this video tomorrow. Should I put some air in the tires because they're flat. It's like I totally forgot I had this this little hand pump stored over there in the corner that I haven't used in forever. I guess I could use this, even though I won't really be able to see the PSI that's in the tires, but yeah, at least it can put air in them, so better than nothing. Sweet. You definitely can't see me right now. Alright, that should be better. Don't mind the car in the background. Little teasers and stuff for stuff coming up in the FRS rebuild. I might work on it a little bit today, might not, I really don't know. I really don't feel like it. Kind of at a standstill with it right now because of like money and stuff like that. I'm kind of broke, so yeah. But this bike is super dope, super smooth, brake works good. Just needs a new seat. Might let Kayla ride it when she gets home from school or whatever, but yeah, so far I've been having fun with it. I'm not about to try any crazy tricks or anything like that because I would really hate to bust my butt on camera. That would be kind of funny though. So like I was telling you guys last night or earlier in the video, I really just kind of got this to just have like a fun little activity to do with Kayla and I don't know, get exercise, I guess. Get out of the house and out of the garage. But I'm the type of person that kind of can't do anything halfway. And what I mean by that is, like, I can't ride a bike just to ride a bike. Like, if I'm gonna ride it, I want to ride it for miles and miles and for time, or in this instance, since this is a BMX bike, learn how to do like tricks and stuff. I really want to learn how to do a manual. I tried it last night off camera and I busted my butt and scraped my elbow, but it's all good, happens. But yeah, I want to learn how to do like BMX tricks and stuff like that. I think that'd be kind of cool. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that on this channel. The busting my butt part, because it'll be a lot of that. I probably won't ever do like a successful trick on camera, but I will bust my butt trying. So let me know if you guys want to see that. So Kayla's home now. Come over here. Okay. I'm gonna see if she can ride this thing. Fall on your butt and make my video funny.
I'm not finna fall.
Yeah, you are.
I am.
No, I'm just playing. Come on. I don't know. That's up to you if you fall or not.
I'm trying to know.
Come on. It's just a bike. Acting like you ain't never rode a bike before.
I ain't rode a bike in forever. Y'all, if I fall and y'all laugh at me.
It's the internet. It doesn't really matter. You can't use the seat. It's a BMX bike. You're not supposed to use the seat.
Oh, you gotta stand up?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Man, just try it.
No.
It's not that hard.
No, because I oh, no.
Just try. You haven't even tried.
No.
Just try. Kick off and start pedaling. You'll be fine. Come on, woman.
No, tell her, because if I fall, you know.
It's not gonna be a big deal. Put a band-aid on it and move on with life.
Y'all, oh my God.
I guess you won't be doing no tricks on this thing anytime soon.
No.
Just pedal.
No, I'm scared.
Man.
Oh my God. Tell her.
You've ridden a bike before, haven't you?
Yes, but I don't stand up on no bike.
It's easy.
I'm finna go get me a bike from Walmart.
It's like standing up on your own 2 feet. That's all you're doing, except you're rolling.
Chilla. Oh my God, I be falling while I be walking.
Just try. You haven't even tried yet. Give it a legitimate try.
Ah!
Put the other foot up there and start pedaling.
Oh my God.
Come on.
No.
Put the other foot up there and just pedal. It's not that hard. What are you scared of?
Oh, falling. I'm not finna break my neck.
You're not gonna break your neck.
Bro, yes, I'm finna break my neck. Oh my God. Then you got me on YouTube with these ugly pants on.
Nobody cares. My pants are ugly.
Ah.
You had it. Just kick off and start rolling, then put your foot up there.
Ah.
Oh my God.
I wanna watch
here.
you. Nope.
It's easy. If I can do it, you can do it.
No.
It's so easy.
Now do a trick.
Do a trick?
Yeah.
I've been trying to do a manual all day and I can't do it. I really can't.
Ooh.
I can't do it. I can't find the balance point of how to do one. I don't know if his bike's not really set up that well for that or what, but some of the research I've been doing, I think this bar right here is like kind of long, so it makes it harder to do manuals because you have to lean back way farther than if this was short. And the tires and wheels are kind of big too, so if the tires and wheels was like a couple inches smaller or an inch or two smaller and this bar was shorter, I wouldn't have to lean so far back to get the front end to pick up. That's just what I've learned in my little bit of research.
Oh my God, I'm not getting back on that.
But it's not hard.
I'm not getting back on that.
Why not? I can do it.
Okay, it's you, Chilla.
What are you scared of? I feel like I'm in a bike game.
And break my neck.
I feel like I'm in a bike game and we're about to beat you up with some chains and stuff. I need a leather jacket.
Will you stop going around in circles?
I need a leather jacket. And some blue jeans with holes in them and some Converse. And my hair slicked back.
I'm a horrible camera person.
It's not hard.
Hey,
see?
dog.
Try it.
No, I'm not
Man.
trying no more. No.
You lame.
So.
Well, end the video for me then.
I don't know what I'm gonna say.
What do I always say?
What do you always say?
Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.
Oh, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.
And
he got some more videos coming up for y'all.
A lot, actually.
That's what I said, babe. I said a lot.
You want to just go to Walmart and get you your own bike so you can sit on it and ride it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No,
we'll throw it in the truck.
Babe, we gotta clean up first.
It'll only take like 20 minutes.
Babe, that down there is not gonna take no 20 minutes.
I said going to Walmart will only take 20 minutes.
No.
I hate you.
No, he doesn't.
You said you wanted a bike. Let's go get it real quick. We'll get a cheap one.
No, because we gotta clean up. And
We'll go, and it'll only take 15 minutes in and out. Just find
I
one
don't
you
know
want.
how I'm gonna be feeling.
What does that have to do with anything?
That has a lot to do with stuff.
Stop throwing in little extra stuff in the video. Let's go to Walmart.